Cassius, you want to go for a ride in the car? Hey, this is Chris Cutt. I'm doing an update video on the tent, and so I made it so that the quarter panel damage wouldn't be an issue anymore, and I hope you enjoy. So here's the update video. So I put this bar across square tubing, and essentially what happens is I can pull out these pins just like that, and this telescopes out straight down like that. And the reason being that I wanted to do that is so I could take the weight off the quarter panels by having a post that goes from the ground up to this, and that would transfer all the weight down to the ground. And I'll give a demonstration.